Hi everyone. On Windows 11, you can share an internet connection, which is available through an Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or cellular data plan. However, the device must have at least one wireless network adapter that will function as the access point for other computers to connect. Creating a wireless hotspot can come in handy in various situations. For instance, if you find yourself in a location with only wired connectivity and want to connect your tablet or phone to the internet, or if you're the only one with a cellular plan and need to share your internet with others. Whatever your reason, Windows 11 makes it straightforward to share an internet connection or access a local network through the mobile hotspot feature in the Settings app. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to share an internet connection using the mobile hotspot feature on Windows 11. To get started, first open Settings on your PC. You can quickly do this by pressing Windows plus I. Then click on Network and Internet in the Settings menu. Next, click on the Mobile Hotspot page on the right side. Under the Share My Internet Connection from setting, choose the Ethernet option if you're sharing a wired connection, or select Wi-Fi if you're sharing your Wi-Fi connection. After that, select the Wi-Fi option in the Start Over setting. Now click the Edit button under the Properties section to customize your hotspot. You can now confirm a name for your mobile hotspot and create a password that other devices will use to connect to your network. Once you've set the name and password, click the Save button to apply your settings. Finally, toggle the mobile hotspot switch to on to start sharing your internet connection. Once you've completed these steps, Windows 11 will allow up to 8 devices, including computers and phones, Android and even iPhone, to connect to the internet. It's that simple and quick.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.